Welcome to this tutorial on how to blend photos in Canva, a simple step-by-step guide. Let's begin with these two images as examples. Add the first image to your Canva page. Next, navigate to the Elements tab, search for Gradient, and click on Graphics. Add the off-white gradient to the page. Move it to the right side of the page. Rotate and resize as needed. Duplicate multiple times. Go to Position, click on the layer. Select multiple off-white gradient elements and group them. Then, download this design. Now, delete the first image and add the second image. Move the off-white gradient to the left side. Then, download this design. Next, add a new page. Upload the two designs you just downloaded. Add them to the new page in sequence. Click on the top image. Adjust transparency to 50%. Then, download this design. Move on to the next page. Upload the design image you just downloaded. Add it to the new page. Go to Edit. Click Adjust. Make necessary adjustments as needed. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.